You've drank something tonight. And you're not 21, so you have to blow a .000, or you're considered intoxicated to be behind the wheel. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? No, so you're going to provide a sample of your breath. Okay.
On the 22nd of May 2025, in Daytona Beach, Florida, an officer stopped a vehicle for failure to maintain a single lane. Every occupant was under 21. Cannabis was visible in plain view. An open alcohol container had been hidden. The driver first refused both field sobriety tests and a breath test, then changed her mind. After hearing the full implied consent warning, this analysis examines each legal element in sequence.
Good afternoon, Officer Cycle, Daytona Beach Police Department. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing phenomenal. Is there a reason you can't maintain your lane? You crossed over the solid white and the solid yellow.
I'm sorry.
Multiple times. Do you have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yes, sir.
70 Central Code 4, let me get second unit. Alright, can I have your driver's license as well, sir?
Yes, sir.
You in the back, same thing.
Shit.
You are?
Okay. Alright, everyone step out of the vehicle for me, please. We're going to start with the driver first. Select my vehicle there for me. To the front of my vehicle for me. To the front of my vehicle. Alright, so no one in the vehicle is above the age of 21. There's also bush in plain view. You also tried to hide the alcohol, which you could go to jail for, so I never recommend you doing that in the future again. You, ma'am, are going to step over here with me. Casey, you mind killing my overheads and my flashers, please? Alright, ma'am, you got anything to drink tonight? Not one beer, nothing along that line? Alright, so with your driving, you were unable to maintain your lane. You reek of alcohol. Right,
I don't reek of alcohol.
We're gonna be conducting some field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to conduct the exercises? Yes or no?
Do I have to?
But you can say no.
No.
Okay. Alright, so you're refusing to conduct field sobriety exercises, correct? Okay. Alright. You say you haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, sir. I have not.
Are you willing to submit to a sample of your breath? No, you're not? Okay. Alright, turn your face that way for me, please. Place your hand behind your back for me. Can someone grab the refusal form for me out of the back of my car so I can read it to her? How old are you, ma'am? 17? 18, okay. Okay. Alright. Well, my partner's gonna grab something that I'm gonna read for you, okay?
Am I going to jail?
I'm gonna read something to you, okay?
Yes, sir, but am I going to jail?
Yes, you are. You have red glassy eyes, your pupils are extremely dilated with consumption of alcohol. You're saying you don't, but you due to my experience, you've drank something tonight. And you're not 21, so you have to blow a .000, or you're considered intoxicated to be behind the wheel. So I'm not going to play the game of, no, I haven't anything to. I'm not going to play that. So I'm going to read you something, and then you can decide what you want to do from there, okay? Because I've been behind you for a long time watching you drive. You guys might want to start calling a ride home.
Wait, what's
After
gonna...
I'm going to tow it.
Tow it to where?
Daytona Record Services.
Do you know how long I'm gonna be in jail for?
You can be bonded out in the morning. You're going to have a bond. All right.
Can I get my boyfriend?
Hey, Matt, can you inventory the vehicle before they go into it? Yeah, and then obviously take photos of all the open containers and the stuff in the back and shit like that. Hey, Casey, if you want to stand with her, I'll just grab it. I got it in my folder.
Wait, so I'm going to jail?
Yes.
If you want to just use this, you can get the paper later.
Well, no, that way when I sign it, I read the exact affidavit that's going to be signed.
Okay,
to her.
that works.
You just hold on to her for a second. I'll grab the refusal form.
Do they have your parents' number or anything like that? No. Like, so is that how you want to be notified, or? Because you're gonna have a bond. So.
I just think it's dumb because I told him no, he can't search my vehicle and he put handcuffs behind my back, but I didn't even drink tonight.
Okay.
But they drank, but I did not.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I'm not making the arrest for this.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah. Where they at?
In the front seat.
Hey, Matt. Matt, can you just grab her shoes real quick? Yeah.
And look, if I'm inside, it's the right one.
Hey, just stay with her.
Well, I'm going to jail, so it doesn't matter. Literally, I'm going to jail. That's what he said. My dad's gonna...
Alright. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining alcohol content. Will you take the test, yes or no?
Do I have to?
If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or 18 months for the driving privileges has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privileges have been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any penalties which can be implied by law. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested of you is admissible into evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? No, so you're going to provide a sample of your breath. Okay, thank you. She's going to search you before I put you in my vehicle.
Charlie 70, Charlie 66. Someone needs you for a PTO, if you're free.
I'm gonna search real quick, okay? Just turn around, face the car. Stay just like that. Spread your feet apart.
What time do you use the hand or George?
I have a pad on.
Okay.
Hang on, boss man, don't go back to your
Can you call my dad for me? Put him on the phone.
Yeah, I'll call her dad real quick. Alright. Okay. I might put her in. Please, just come. Roll in. What's his number? 1 second.
I'm cooked. No.
Just stay over there and call.
Yes, sir.
Can you hand the phone over here?
No, stay over there.
Like right there is
They
good.
can talk to him.
No, hold it right there.
Alright, so last thing we do, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna shake this out, okay?
Call him again.
Sit here real quick.
Wait, can I please talk
1
to my
minute,
dad?
sit down. We're gonna, if he answers the phone, yes. Put your feet up inside. There's a step right here that'll help you.
Ow. Ow, my wrist.
When you get to the police department, they'll go in the front. You can use the step if you need it. Call because he'll probably answer. He'll probably answer his daughter's phone call.
Can you open my phone?
What's your passcode?
Give,
Not yet.
open it.
Jump in there real quick.
Alright.
Go to call. Go to call.
She can call her dad after.
Yeah.
She can call her dad after. She doesn't make phone calls in my custody.
Alright. Put your feet inside.
Can I give my boyfriend a hug?
No. Put your feet inside.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Have you ever been arrested for DUI in the past? Huh? Okay. 707 Scrapper Transport. Then I'll be off the radio for BTO. I'm talking to my dispatcher. Huh? No, this is our holding facility. Dispatcher's out by the jail. Slide out for me. Wait right here.
Under Warren versus United States, crossing both the solid white and solid yellow lines provides a valid stop basis under FL. Section 316.089. Cannabis in plain view and a concealed open container, then establish probable cause. For a warrantless vehicle search under Carroll versus United States, the driver's belief that the officer could not search without her consent was incorrect. Consent is not required when probable cause already exists. Attempting to conceal evidence during a lawful traffic stop is not a neutral act. Under FL Section 843.02, knowingly obstructing or opposing a law enforcement officer, including by concealing evidence during a lawful stop can constitute a first-degree misdemeanor. The officer's statement that hiding the alcohol could go to jail for was a legally accurate warning, not an exaggeration. FL Section 322.2616. Florida's zero tolerance law establishes that the 0.08 BAC threshold, applicable to adult drivers, does not apply to drivers under 21. Any detectable blood alcohol constitutes legal impairment. The operative test threshold is 0. This is the most commonly misunderstood DUI provision for young drivers, and the officer's explanation at entry 59 was legally precise. Field sobriety tests are voluntary in Florida refusal carries, no license suspension, and cannot constitute a criminal offense. The officer correctly stated this at entry 33. A breath test is different. Under FL Section 316.19, 32, operating a motor vehicle in Florida constitutes implied consent to a chemical test upon lawful arrest. FST refusal and breath test refusal are governed by entirely separate legal frameworks. Florida's implied consent law carries 3 consequences for refusal, a 1-year suspension for a first refusal, an 18-month suspension, plus a separate first-degree misdemeanor, charge for a second refusal, and under South Dakota versus Neville, 459 U.S. 553, the refusal itself is admissible as evidence in criminal proceedings. These are the consequences the officer read in full, and they changed her decision. After hearing the implied consent warning, the driver retracted her refusal and agreed to submit. Under Florida law, a suspect may retract an initial breath test refusal provided the change occurs before law enforcement takes definitive alternative action. The retraction was immediate and accepted. This decision avoided the 1-year license suspension, removed the refusal's evidentiary use, and eliminated any second refusal misdemeanor exposure. Officer A. Legally grounded stop, correct FST advisement, plain. View clearly articulated on Bodycam. Implied consent warning read. Verbatim. Mind change accepted without delay. Driver C-. Under 21 DUI, cannabis in plain view, concealed open container. C- reflects her ultimate decision to retract the breath test. Refusal after hearing the consequences, which was the smartest legal choice she made. 4 takeaways. First, under 21 drivers in Florida face a 0 BAC threshold, not 0.08. Second, field sobriety tests are voluntary with no penalty. Breath test refusal triggers automatic license suspension. Third, breath test refusal is admissible as evidence in criminal proceedings. Fourth, a driver may retract a refusal before law enforcement takes alternative action doing so avoids the suspension and removes the evidentiary consequence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.